Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hi, my name is Janine. I upload new videos, well, daily right now because it is Vlogmas day 2 to be exact. And I feel like it's so late in the day. Right now it is 3 p.m. and I'm just now picking up the camera, but it's fine. I just ran a bunch of errands, worked, and then worked out, got my mom's car washed for her, got home, made the same lunch that I had yesterday, so I was like, why would I show the exact same thing? And now we can finish all the stuff that we did yesterday and all of that kind of good stuff. So let's go into fun things. So first things first, I got mail today and we're gonna do a little unboxing. So I went on FNX or Phoenix. I've always called it FNX, but I realized that it was Phoenix, and I ordered some repurchases. So I got the Recover BCAAs. I absolutely love these BCAAs. I don't know what it is. They just taste so good and I just feel so much more recovered, I've noticed, because I was drinking it every single day for like months. And I was just like, wow, maybe my body's getting used to this and basically like building immunity of some sort, and then my body's gonna stop recovering on its own. I don't know. I overthink things a lot, if you haven't noticed. But, so I stopped drinking it and I have just been a wreck. And I was like, oh, I'll like grow out of it. But no, I just feel in pain every single day because I'm always sore and it's so annoying. So yeah, BCAAs, my lifesaver. I love them so very much. And then I got the Rebalance Super Greens. I ran out of my other container as well. It's basically like a green powder that you put in and you get your daily dose of greens because I don't eat enough vegetables. So that's it for that little unboxing. There's not a box. So first things first, why am I hating the bed so much? But it is time for me to change my bedding. I got new bedding. We're gonna do that. Don't judge the fact that my bed is not made right now, because I knew like I was going to be doing this. So I was like, wow, I gotta make my bed this morning. Yeah. So I can't decide how I like this just yet. I feel like I need to put this pillow right there. I don't know. I feel like it looks so weird because like I don't have a backboard, so these aren't gonna stay upright. Sure, let's just go with that. So I will neither confirm nor deny that I've been standing here for about 10 minutes just trying to make a reels on Instagram. But I'm gonna take this moment to shout out my Instagram. Go follow me at It's Me LOL in the description box down below. I just hit 1,000 followers. Follow me there. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Cool. That's done. My head's cut off. Love all of that for me. Now that that's done, my bed's done. What do I even want to do next? I don't remember anymore. See, my brain just stops working sometimes. I have hot cocoa. Let's drink some. Step around lighting without it falling and knocking everything over this time. I'm covering his face, but I got him at the dollar store. My hot cocoa is now cold cocoa. Yay. Also, not to be that influencer, but it is the holiday season, AKA everyone's gonna be trying to get back in the gym, either now or in January, New Year's resolutions, all of that, yada yada yada. All for a healthy lifestyle, but you can start today. You don't need to wait till January 1st. Time is an illusion. It's not real. Anywho, I totally forgot to mention that I have a code for FNX and a link down below, Janine15. Using that link will get you 15% off of your entire order, and they always have really good deals going on. I love using their stuff. I have a blender bottle, I have the BCAAs, I definitely recommend those, and the greens powder. The pre-workout is amazing. I only need a half a scoop and I only take a couple sips of it and I'm good to go. So like it lasts forever, which is really nice. And I'm not gonna ramble on about supplements, but if you know anyone that likes to work out and you need to get them a Christmas present, I would highly recommend. My brain is just not working, but as I was making this, if you did notice, I did not put a sheet on because why would I? If you sleep with sheets, like a top sheet, how do you not get suffocated and tangled and wrapped up like a mummy when you're sleeping? Like, how does that not happen to you? And now we've got this one all completed. I totally didn't even buy like the little hooks, so I kind of just stuck them on there for some of them. But I feel like it just works. But I also feel like I'm becoming one of those purple people, like, you know, the purple people who their favorite color is purple, so they own purple everything. Yeah, I'm feeling like that right now. And while I'm at it, I should just hang up my stocking. I always have a Grinch stocking because The Grinch is the best Christmas movie, period. I watch it year round, honestly. Oh, of course we can't forget about you. Perfect. So now, next thing on the to-do list is that I need to put stuff into these drawers. I have this like organizer thing in my closet and it's just overfilling and I feel like it's gonna fall, taking up weird space. I just really don't like it. And I don't have drawers in here, so whenever I need to fold clothes to put them away, they're just hanging in there and don't like it. So we've got 6 drawers here. We're gonna move all of that stuff over here for some winter cleaning, I guess. Okay, I feel like starting with sweatpants might be a good decision. Sweatpants, pajamas. I don't know how I'm doing this. So we're just gonna start putting stuff in and then I'm gonna reorganize it once I decide what I'm doing. Maybe the Christmas pajamas just need to stay out. Yes, holiday stuff can just hang up. So we've got a bit of an update. I finished cleaning my room. It's now like 5:30. I am exhausted. So my bed's done. That tree's up. We've got the Christmas decor over there. I realized that these ones totally have the little ties. Where are they? Oh no, where they just go? Have the little ties right there instead of the hooks, but you have to like tie them together yourself. And I just don't want to sit down to take the time to do that. So, haven't done that yet. I've got purple lights that I can put up at some point. So this tree is still the exact same like it was before. Closet's looking a lot better. Now everything's more spread out instead of having like that whole chunk taken up. You put the pajamas right there instead of being over there. And we've got the drawers right here, ready to go. So I would say that this has been pretty successful. Now, let's go make some Christmas cookies. And now that I'm officially exhausted and the cookies are done, I need to start editing this video and get it uploaded for tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you like it, comment down below letting me know, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. There will not be a video tomorrow because I will be working all day tomorrow, my tomorrow, so there will not be a video your tomorrow, if that makes sense. So I will see you in the next one. Bye!